Good evening, students. I hope all of you are safe at your home and you are studying a different books, reading different story books and different activities. And this year you are giving a board exam. You will give a board exam, so I hope all of you are preparing also for your boards, right? Okay, so in IT, welcome to this e-learning class of IT. Today, last day I have told you about the freezing rows and columns and hide and hide rows and columns. So today I will tell you about the page break. Okay, so how will you set the page break? Page break means what? That we have discussed earlier in the writer or digital documentation also. So it acts as a divider of the content. Okay, so here in Calc, page break is used to display the content page wise on the worksheet. Okay, now page break here in Calc or spreadsheet, it will take the page break. For that, first you have to click on the view tab. From the menu bar you have to click on the view tab and then page break option. So automatically it will show you the content between the page 1 and page 2. Okay, next is inserting page break. Inserting page break, for that first you have to click on the row. First you have to select the row where you want to insert the page break. Okay, then suppose row 6 you want to after row 6 you want to insert the page break, then you have to click on the page 6 row number 6. Okay, and then you have to click on the sheet tab. From the menu bar, sheet tab, and then insert page break. Insert page break, and then you have to click on the page break option. You can see the two options, page break and column break. You have to click on the page break. Okay, so this is the way how will you set the page break. Next is page layout. How will you set the page layout? For that, first you have to click on the format tab and then page option. So when you will click on the page option, then page style dialog box will open, and there you can see the different options. Okay, like organizer, then page, border, background, header, footer, all these options you will get. So when you will click on the page option, so for setting the page layout you have to click on the page option. There you can set the page size, which type of page. First thing, like A4 you want, then click on the A4 size. Then page margins, left, right, bottom, top margins. Then page width and height, orientation, portrait or landscape. Landscape like your drawing copy, and portrait means your book, normal book. So that you can set. Similarly, for the borders, you have to click on the border, and there you will see line style, which type of border, outline border or whole border you want, which type of border, which what is the width of the border. Okay, then color of the border, all those things you can set from here. Then shadow, if you want shadow effect on the border, that also you can set. Similarly, background also you can set. Here you can set the background color, or any image also you can set the background of the image. Next is sheet tab. Header, footer also you can set, like left margin, right margin, spacing between the heading. Then what will be your header, all these things you can set, and then you have to click on the OK. After setting all these things you have to click on the OK. Similarly, footer, for suppose you want to insert the date, page number, time. So for that you can set left margin, right margin you have to set, and then spacing, height, what height you want.